Hello everyone, welcome to your Word of the Day lecture for weeks 20 and 21. Before we get into the words, I just wanted to remind you a little bit about how the quiz is going to work. Each Word of the Day quiz is worth 30 points and it will be divided into two sections. In section 1, you will be asked to match the word with its definition, and this section is worth 10 points. Section 2 is worth 20 points, and you're going to need to use each of the vocabulary words in an original sentence. That means a sentence that you came up with, not one that you Googled. Remember that for those 20 points that you're going to get, spelling, grammar, punctuation, and capitalization are all going to count towards partial credit, in addition to using the word correctly. So make sure that you are spending some time studying how to use these words in a sentence. Our schedule for the 2-week cycle for Word of the Day for weeks 20 and 21 looks like this. You'll get your word list today, Monday, February 1st, and I encourage you all to spend some time studying this week. Next week, on Monday, February 8th, your quiz will be released. You have until midnight on Friday, February 12th to complete the quiz. Please make sure that you set aside about 20 to 30 minutes sometime during this second week of the cycle to take the quiz. Your first word is negligent. Negligent is an adjective. It means characterized by paying too little attention. Synonyms are careless, indifferent, and lax. My sample sentence is, teachers will often caution you not to be negligent of your work. Your second word is neophyte. Neophyte is a noun. It means a beginner or novice. Synonyms are amateur, greenhorn, and newcomer. A sentence for neophyte is, despite being a neophyte, I find myself in an advanced HTML class. Nonchalant. Nonchalant is an adjective. It means coolly unconcerned or indifferent. Synonyms are detached, offhand, or unconcerned. My sentence is, she attempted to appear nonchalant after she was rebuffed by the kids on the playground. Notoriety. Notoriety is a noun. It means the state of being widely known, generally in an unfavorable way. Synonyms are infamy, opprobrium, and reputation. My sentence says, H.H. Holmes has gained notoriety for being one of the first known serial killers in the United States. Your next word is novel. Novel is an adjective. So here we're not talking about the noun, we're not talking about something that you read. It's an adjective, and it means new or original. Synonyms are innovative, unique, and unusual. It may have seemed novel to us, but wearing face coverings was commonplace during the flu pandemic of 1918. Null. Null is an adjective. It means without value, effect, consequence, or significance. Synonyms are ineffective, valueless, and worthless. So often in a sentence, you're going to see null paired with void. So null and void often go together. However, I'm going to challenge you to write a sentence that does not include null and void, but simply uses the word null. So my sentence is, the argument was rendered null without sufficient evidence to support it. Next is objectivity. Objectivity is a noun. It means the state of being unbiased. Synonyms are detachment, impartiality, and neutrality. The students hoped their teacher would grade the essays with objectivity. Next is officious. Officious is an adjective. It means objectionably aggressive in offering one's unrequested or unwanted services. Synonyms are forward, impertinent, and meddlesome. Officious by nature, he is always trying to offer his unsolicited advice to anyone who will listen. Next is omit. Omit is a verb. In full disclosure, I picked the word omit because it is part of SAT-style questions, and I find that it's something that students often stumble with. So omit is a verb meaning to leave out. So anytime you see omit as part of an SAT question, it means take that underlined portion out. Synonyms are disregard, exclude, or withhold. My sentence is, often, formal essays demand that you omit your personal opinion from your writing. Finally, our last word is omnipotent. Omnipotent is an adjective. It means almighty or unlimited power. Synonyms are all-powerful, mighty, and supreme. My sentence says, Jafar thought himself to be an omnipotent genie, but he forgot about the lamp. So those are your words. You have 10 new words this week. Make sure you're spending some time studying, and I will post that quiz Monday morning, February 8th, and you will have all week until February 12th at midnight to complete it. Have a great week, guys.